about 2 months later, I was the only thing the whole group of blokes.
As a 5-year-old, you urinated on that tree in front of the foot.
Every time I needed to do a drink, I'd run up to the tree and go, and the
Yeah, I did. So powerful urine. What was going on? Dying. Well, what was his diet? What was the term? What was the main part of the diet? Pizza. Pizza? Pizza? I would have definitely stuck it.
It's Susie and Ed for the drive home.
The Athlete's Foot has the perfect fit for all sports for the whole family. Shop in store or online at theathletesfoot.com.au.
Brisbane's Hit 105. It's Susie and Ed.
Hit 105. Get into your first home with a $0 upfront deposit at Start Point Homes.
Heavy traffic dropped down to 40 kilometres an hour on the Centenary Highway due to potholes northbound just before the Jindalee Bridge. And Jindalee looking heavy too before the outbound run on the Western Freeway from Toowong to Victory Pocket. Kmart's near Home Range has arrived from lamps and flames to cushions and rugs. They have everything you need to refresh any space. So heading still today, Kmart's low prices online. It's January and Wednesday latest truck on Big 105.
Yo, hold up. Do you realize what days are upon us? The best day of the week. Y'all feeling me? Happy Fridays. It's Brisbane's official Friday party. Back to get your booty poppin'. R&B Fridays is back in your radio tomorrow from 6 a.m. on Hit 105.
The 2019 Mazda stock clearance is on now. Get in quick for 2019 Mazda CX-5, an SUV with refined safety and styling, now from only $31,990 drive away. Plus, get peace of mind with our 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty and 5 years premium roadside assist standard across the Mazda range. The 2019 Mazda stock clearance. Get in quick to your local Mazda dealer today. Offers apply to private buyers only.
When you run your own business, it's nice to be rewarded for your hard work. With the American Express Qantas Business Rewards card, you could turn your everyday business spend into your next holiday. Enjoy up to 2 Qantas points per dollar spent and 150,000 bonus Qantas points with the card that works for business. To find out more, search American Express Qantas Business Rewards. Offer ends 11 March 2020. Non-card members only. $3,000 minimum spend criteria and terms and conditions apply.
Take the family on a fascinating day out at Queensland Museum. Explore an interactive area at Spiders the Exhibition and bring out your inner scientist at Sparklab. Get 20% off when you visit both in February. Tickets at qm.qod.gov.au.
Emma Friedman here. With $5 million in prize money, the All-Star Mile is the world's richest 1,600-metre race, and it's coming to Caulfield Racecourse Saturday, March 14th. It's the only race where you choose the horses that run, so your vote could win you a share in $500,000. The winner will receive $250K, and the rest is shared with the other 14 place winners. So, if you're over 18, voting is now open at allstarmile.com.au with full T's and C's. Cheer on your All-Star, Saturday, March 14 at Caulfield Racecourse.
To celebrate Simmons' 70th, Gary's Style Angels have created 3 levels of fully loaded style packs for new home buyers to choose. The Silver Pack is packed with essentials like flooring throughout. The Gold Pack includes luxuries like multiple kitchen upgrades and more. And the Platinum Pack is loaded with indulgences like stone bench tops in your kitchen, bathrooms and laundry. Silver, Gold and Platinum style packs only at Simmons. Find your nearest display at simmons.com.au. T's and C's apply. QBCC 1192095.
Feel good about what you eat with the new Max Nourish Bowl from Sombrero. It's Mexican with no no-nos. Just fresh, feel-good ingredients plus our amazing coleslaw. The new Max Nourish Bowl for a limited time at Sombrero.
Come into BWS and celebrate Yummer. Won't determine summer, no, Yummer. With a 700ml bottle of Suntory Haku vodka for $55, save 11. Oh, Yummer. 100 days of summer at BWS. Enjoy responsibly. Conditions apply.
This year, Motorama celebrates 60 years in the automotive industry. And what better way to kick off the party than to give even more car buyers a chance to buy the brand they love. That's why we're super proud to announce we've now welcomed Jeep into the Motorama family.
Motorama sells Jeep.
Yes, they do. Motorama Jeep dealerships are now open at Maruka and Springwood. If you love Jeep, join the grand opening celebrations at Maruka and Springwood.
Motorama sells Jeep.
Cool.
Kmart's new home range has arrived. From lamps and plants to cushions and rugs, we have everything you need to refresh any space. Head into Kmart today and come home to our low prices for life.
VIP. You could be front and center at the biggest gigs to hit Brisbane. Is everyone here to have a good time? Or exclusive money can't buy trips around the world. All it takes is one click to be a hit VIP. Like a special cloud, you get only exclusive access. Take control of your station now and win. Sign up at hit105.com.au. Hit 105. Brisbane's Hit 105.
It's Husey and Ed. Your drive home.
Certainly is, of course, the thing in the news at the moment is, of course, coronavirus.
Yeah. Now, this has been a bit of a tough one for us, whether or not we should be making this light-hearted stuff about it.
Well, we did the phone poll yesterday.
And it came down 63% said we should keep having fun. Let's not forget what poor Travis.
Travis, should we continue to joke about coronavirus?
Oh, mate, if you can't have a laugh in this world about stuff that goes on all over the world, there's something wrong.
Angela,
I think you need to hold off on the joke.
what do you say, Travis?
Keep going.
Sash?
52% keep joking.
No, we're going to go for majority then.
More songs tomorrow.
That's called democracy.
Okay. And that's why, sadly,
We're in a great country.
thank you so much.
Can happen in China. It was not a democracy.
What do they officially call it? Communist, but it's not. You know what I mean?
I think we call it communist. Well, they?
People's Republic. People's Republic, but they have a guy who's in charge forever.
I think there's a family in charge. I heard there's like 5 families that run in China.
Truth. Where'd you read that? Someone told me. Flat Earthers?
Anyway, let's just hope it's over soon.
Come back.
Not China, I'd
No,
no, forever.
it's-
I hope that the virus is, you know, I heard they're coming up with a vaccine.
I heard the same thing.
And everyone's happy about it. And the stock markets around the world have been going up. The vaccines.
And there we're back to what we know.
Yeah.
How's the stock portfolio going?
That was a great yesterday.
Well, that's the main thing, isn't it?
Thought it, eh? What's it down today?
Well, as long as you guys are okay with your stocks. A corona update next because there's more details about this cruise ship. 3,700 people, over 200 Australians in quarantine. More details in a moment. Things are getting the man. Excuse me, that bloke. This afternoon, I can't remember what I said. Oh, yes. I love that one. Oh, so do I. I rang her. Call me back, honey. Baby doll, get back to him. Baby doll. Baby doll. Something. She didn't say baby doll. She says baby doll. How come it says baby doll? Come on. Ask her. Get her on. Get Ash London on. Get Ash London on. Baby girl. She puts doll in there. She doesn't. Hey, she ever said baby doll? Oh, listen. Baby doll. She's radio with us. Like, whatever, mate. She's changed, she said. So get Ash London on. Supposed to say baby doll. Have you ever said baby doll? Did she say it yesterday?
13, 10, 60. If you think she doesn't say baby doll, or
No,
you think
no.
she does,
I just will get her on.
Nando's vouchers.
Get her on, mate. Why don't Nando's vouchers? And Nando's great, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah, who wants a Nando's voucher? Have a Nando's voucher. Ring the number. What's our number?
I don't want to ring it. I was going to
13,
give it out.
10, 60. Do you want a Nando's voucher? What? Tell me about Nando's.
And then thanks to our legendary peri peri chicken makes it Nando's, you get a burger, pita, or wrap meal.
What's the
I'll
Nando's?
give, you know what? I'll give it a 10 of them. I don't care.
Let's do. Well, we finished the show with Ash London, right?
Okay.
Right, we're going to do that. Actually, you've got to go on air in a second. Maybe we should do it straight
Let's
away.
do it now.
Straight away. Ash London.
I know.
Hang on, we got it on that? We've got it on there. Ash London.
Hello, darling.
Yeah,
Yes.
an argument has. You'll be shocked to know that Dave and I have started arguing about something.
Can't believe it.
Ash, we were talking up your show, and I said, what did I say?
You said,
I referred to you as Baby Doll, and Ed. Ed claims you've never used the term baby doll, and I claim you have.
I say baby G, which is cool, but baby doll is
thank you.
it's a bit weird.
Yeah, you use baby G, which is short for baby girl, don't you, Lundo?
Yeah, baby girl, baby G.
Yeah, you
but
never
baby
say-
doll is like
It's like an old guy in a floral shirt being weird.
You
yeah,
never,
baby doll.
Yeah, thank you. Say it again. You've never used baby doll, have you?
Only when referring to like that perfume. There's a perfume called baby doll. That would be the only time I've had that perfume in that.
you've never said baby doll.
No! No one says that to me.
I feel like you have.
Don't you love it when he argues about what
I
you
feel
say?
like
He's telling me, but Dave is telling me that I said baby doll, and
I
I
reckon you
think
said it.
categorically I'm
I
like,
reckon you said it yesterday. That's what I'm saying. So I'm going to go back through the tape. Right? Right. The people are winning Nando's.
Yeah, don't worry about that. London, don't worry about that. That's just something that happened on the side of the argument.
Hey, well, I love that 16-year-old rapper. Who's that 16-year-old rapper?
oh, the kids are rolling.
Yes.
Billy Irish?
Roy. Listening last night.
I'm back with Newsy. You know what, Newsy? Because you said you like to kiss Roy, I just remembered I do use the word baby doll.
Thank you.
All the time. I love it when people call me that. It's my favourite thing.
Thank you, Ash.
There, baby D.
Now, coronavirus. Yeah, we do. We can't get to Ash's show. She's not going to worry. We just had her on. The show's already started.
Okay.
Right, here we go. Yep.
Oh, start now?
Yeah, we're doing it right now.
All right, sweet. 10 more cases confirmed on quarantine cruise ship. 10 more people aboard the cruise ship quarantined in Japan have been confirmed to have coronavirus, with hundreds more showing symptoms. 3,700 people are stuck on the boat. Now, yesterday, 63% of people said it was okay for us to still make light-hearted comments, which is why we made this song. Bermuda, Corona, now we're all in lockdown. We can't leave our roof to go outside because we're in quarantine. Then, today,
Yeah,
what?
but can I just say, I love that so much that I was very keen for a second one.
Ah, now I'm glad you said that because today Carrie and Tommy spoke to a passenger who's stranded on there, so we were trying to get more details
Yes.
of what it's like. And they were talking about the internet and what it's like to have the outside world. This is live from the ship. This is what was said.
We're already on board this ship for 15 days before the quarantine. So we were quarantined when we were supposed to disembark. Pretty boring. The internet's intermittent. The captain, however, just updated us in that they've upgraded our internet. That was a few moments ago.
So they've got internet, so they could possibly hear this. We know that they're setting up Twitter accounts stranded on the Ocean Princess or whatever it's
They've got
called.
another 13 days to go.
Yes, they do. 13 days to go, and it's time now to premiere our latest Corona song from the album Cough Cough Splutter. Please enjoy the inevitable My Corona.
If you've been to Wuhan, fever, cough and runny nose, chances are you probably got coronavirus. Ooh, tasty bat, such a tasty bat. Why'd you have to give me that coronavirus? It's not gonna work, give them up, just don't shake my hand. We're at sea, on a cruise, locked inside.